can summon cars by turning on the camera. I have the power. Hey friends, hey neighbors! It's me again, Dave, no Scott. I don't know why I made that joke. Let's start again. Hey friends, hey neighbors. It's a nice day out. Let's do an experiment. If you've seen my other fire ant videos, you know that I have a home remedy that I like to use for fire ants that involves compost tea and orange oil and a big bucket of water, and for me it works really well. The funny thing about fire ants and a lot of other home remedy type stuff is it seems to be kind of personalized, or it depends on a lot of things, your geography, your climate, your soil type. Now for me, that one works almost every time. If it doesn't completely knock out the colony, it will weaken them, and when they spread out and pop up somewhere else, they will be greatly diminished. And if I hit them again, you know, if it's a huge one, I may have to hit them a third time. But for me, it's really effective. Usually, first time they're gone. Now, another popular remedy is you let the cars go by. Another popular option is to use boiling water and pour that on the nest. And I've had better than zero results. They didn't like it, but it's not very effective for me. Probably because I have really heavy clay soils here, and it slows the water down. People in sandy soil, that seems to be the ticket. Vroom, vroom. I gotta plant a noise barrier wall. Actually, I'm working on that. I'm experimenting with the best plants. Catch back up with me in like 10 years after I'm an expert at this. A third option for fire ants, of many, there are many options, but a third one is Splenda. I almost said stevia. Splenda. And I've had pretty good results with that. You sprinkle Splenda around and they take it back and it just fries them. It does something. I thought a fire ant was coming to get me for talking bad about him. It was just a stick. And today I want to try another experiment. I have, maybe a gallon and a half of the spray that I used in my last video, the foliar spray for bugs and fungi and such. I thought, what would happen if I just poured this right on the fire ant mound? I don't know if it will kill them. I don't know if it'll just scatter them and have them pop up somewhere else. And you know, if it works, I could switch to this and not have to buy any more orange oil. Because, you know, I'm dependent on the modern shipping system to get orange oil, because oranges don't just grow here. So all I needed for this is cedar trees. I guess that blue soap, but you know what? I've got some plant alternatives for soap. All right, let's go drench a mound.
Okay, let's go get them. You gotta sneak up on fire ants. They'll sense your vibrations, so you gotta do it all stealthy-like. And yes, I'm totally gonna wear shoes because they're fire ants. They're not very good shoes. Die, inconvenient insect interlopers. Okay, well that's that. We'll check back with them in a few days and make sure that the colony is dead, hopefully. Wow, that's really soapy from the soap. I don't really like pouring soap on the ground, but okay, it's an experiment. We'll make sure they're dead. We'll make sure they haven't spread out to new colonies in the nearby area. It's gonna be hard to determine if they make a nest inside of there. Okay. Catch you back soon. Okay, it's been a few days since I poured the fermented cedar extract water on this ant hill. And now there may be activity, there may not. Let's poke it and see. Oh yeah, they're active. Okay, well, it doesn't seem to work for fire ants. Well, good to know. I'll just let them calm down for a day or so, and then I'll come back and hit them with my other stuff. All right, I'm back, and I've got the real stuff. I made some extra too, because there's some more mounds I'm gonna drench around here. Now let's give them some ecologically responsible liquid death. Ant death smells citrusy. That'll take care of them. That'll bring this video to a close. Another happy ending.